Hi guys, I recently purchased a 1967 StarCraft Caravel, and I've got a question. I bought a 40 horsepower Elgin 2-stroke outboard motor, 1962, and everything works on it. It's not seized up. The only thing is, I believe there's supposed to be a male connector end here in the front. Let's see if I can get in here, where it looks like it was possibly removed, and I need to know if there is a male end or something that can be bought to replace that. If so, this is where, down in the motor, where it would connect into somewhere, I believe. If anyone could give some helpful tips or advice on that, it'd be much appreciated. Thank you.